Hello everyone, how are you doing? ᴄᴏ here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix navigation pane not showing up in File Explorer on Windows 10 and Windows 11. The problem is this: go to the start menu and search for File Explorer and hit enter. The problem is this: to resolve, go to View tab and select Navigation Pane, one click, and click on Navigation Pane, and you can show this option. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. The change is permanent, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.